how to make your home smell amazing for the holidays without using any candles or fake fragrances. We all want our home to smell good, especially at the holidays, but if you're like me, you don't necessarily want to be breathing in those harmful fragrances that come along with scented things that we buy to use in our home. So today we are looking at a few simple ways that you can make your home smell amazing using either clean ingredients or all natural ingredients so that you can feel good about how you make your home smell good. Everything's going to be linked in the description below. There will be recipes there as well. And let me know in the comments, what is your favorite holiday scent? I personally am a sucker for all things pine. Number one is probably the easiest thing on this list, and this is a trick people do whenever they are selling their home and they have showings to make their house smell good, and that is to bake vanilla extract. So all you're gonna do is take an oven-safe dish or a little ramekin. If it's a small dish, I just sort of cover the bottom with vanilla. If it's a larger dish, just do maybe a tablespoon or two. Do a low heat setting, like 300 degrees. You don't want it too high or it'll burn, and bake it for an hour. It is going to fill your home with the warmest, coziest vanilla aroma. People will think you've been baking all day long, but you didn't have to go through all that trouble. You simply baked a little bit of vanilla. Now, fair warning though, when guests come in your home, they are probably going to expect baked goods waiting for them because that's how good it's gonna smell. Number two is one I recently learned from Cassandra with Clutterbug, and this one blew my mind at how little you needed to really fill your home with the coziest fall scents. This is perfect for fall or Thanksgiving or just anytime you want a warm aroma in your home. All you're gonna do is make up this pumpkin spice mixture. It is 4 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of clove, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. She mixes it up and puts it in a shaker style jar, and you could use this on recipes, on top of lattes, or the other thing she did, which is what I'm doing here, is to carve a pumpkin, and when you cut the top, you'll sprinkle some of this on the bottom of it, and then pop a tea light in there, light it. It takes no time at all to fill your home with the best warm, cozy smells, and it's a fun little DIY project too. Number three is one of my absolute favorites. I do this every single year, and that is a stovetop potpourri. These are so fun to do because really you can make any concoction you want, or if you need help with recipe ideas, the internet is filled with them. I'll list a couple in the description below. But you basically take a pot and you just put in maybe like a sliced up orange, maybe an apple, cinnamon sticks, cloves, nutmegs, and then you just add some water, bring it to a boil on your stove, and then once it's boiling, drop it down to low, because you just want it to sit there and simmer. And then this can really just simmer all day long. You can actually get a lot of use out of this even days later. As water runs out, you just keep adding more until you feel like it has really used up all of the scents, but it'll last a long time. Now, obviously, watch your stove, make sure you're adding water. If you go to bed, turn it off, but you could restart it up the next day. But I love this one because it's so easy and it's all natural. And the beauty here too is that you could actually make these in little jars to gift people. So you can dry out an orange. So you put dried orange slices in and then some cinnamon sticks, cloves, nutmeg, all of that. Tie it up in like a little mini mason jar and you can give it to somebody as a gift. And then all they have to do is add it to a pot and add water, and they have stovetop potpourri too. But I love this one and it's super easy. These next two are gonna add a nice aroma to your home as you clean. First up, number 4 is to take a room spray that you like, and I'm gonna link in the description below one of my favorites that uses clean ingredients, and you are simply going to spritz that room spray on the filters of your vacuum. So as you then vacuum a room, it is gonna put out this nice scent. It's just a fun little cleaning hack or a life hack, but it works really well. And I like that you can switch it up for the season. So you can do a fall one, maybe something for winter, and then maybe something just light and refreshing in the spring and summer. But it couldn't be easier, and it's a good way to just make a room smell good as you vacuum it. And then along those same lines, number 5 is to make a DIY pumpkin spice cleaning spray. I'll put the recipe to mine in the description below. There's actually 2 different types that you can do, but this is just a nice way to make your home smell good as you clean. It's a good multi-purpose cleaner you can use on several areas, and this way it'll smell nice in the room instead of smelling like cleaner. Number 6 is a fun little life hack if you have artificial Christmas trees, but you miss the scent of real ones. So we are team artificial tree all day long, but I love the scent of a real tree, but I can't keep them alive. So what I do is take a wooden ornament, which you can get at any craft store, and add to it an essential oil like pine or evergreen and hang it in the tree. And now this is not gonna fill your whole home with an aroma of pine, but in that room it might, or at least up close to the tree it will. So it's just an easy way to have the best of both worlds. You can have the artificial tree, but the scent of the real one. And lastly, number 7 is to use candles or essential oils. However, clean, quality ones that you can feel good about breathing in. I know even with these easy DIY solutions, sometimes you just want the ambiance of a diffuser or a lit candle, but they are not all created equal, and we want to be mindful about what we're breathing in. So I'll put my favorites in the description that use ingredients you can feel good about. All right, and that does it. Just some of my favorite simple ways to make your home smell good at the holidays or really all year long. Let me know again in the comments your favorite holiday scent or any tricks you have for making your home smell good that maybe I didn't mention here. Hit the thumbs up button if this was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for even more helpful home tips.